If you would note, ang glands, their function is secretory, meaning naglalabas po sila ng a specific substance. It could be a hormone, it could be a chemical, or it could be a fluid. They need a vehicle para mailabas yung dapat nilang ilabas. And this vehicle usually is fluid, which is water. Kung kulang yung katawan nyo ng tubig, ang gagawin ng mga glands na ito, they will begin hoarding water. Kasi ang katawan mo is short of water. So kung gusto nyo na paliitin at hindi sila mag-iimbak, make your body more available sa water. Ganong karaming tubig nga ang kailangan natin, which is 50 ml per kilogram body weight per day. Kailangan din yung minerals kasi kung wala yung minerals, hindi naman ma-hydrate yung cells natin na maayos.